Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this Notiq cover, and I am super excited because I think this is now the right size. And I do want to apologize because I've had a cold for about 2 weeks now and I'm still recovering, but not fully back yet. But I did want to film this video for you guys, so please bear with me as I continue to get better. But let's go ahead and open this up because I thought I had the correct size, but it looks like there's even one better, so I'm even more excited now. So as you know, I have been using Notiq for what seems like forever. I just love their covers. They are such great quality. So let me go ahead and take out my invoice and let's get her out of here. And so as always, we have this just a little card from VJ herself. And it looks like we have a notepad. Ooh, look at how beautiful this one is. I love the pattern. And look at the paper. It has like a pearl white shine to it. It is so beautiful. And her notes are just so lovely. So let's go ahead and rip through this. It's always packaged so nicely. Let's put that off to the side as well, and let's get into this. So of course I had to get a pink one because would you expect any other color, right? Like, I just love the pink and I love the rose gold detail. I think it goes so well with the pink. I prefer this than the gold, so it is just so beautiful. It is in the style Saffiano, and I don't know, I just love this style. I think all of the covers that I have are the Saffiano vegan leather because it is just so beautiful. And let's see, because what I had on hand already is this one right here, and this one is in the size Demi, and so the Demi fits your half letter planner and your A5 coil as well. And so I automatically assumed that my Hobonichi cousin was going to fit on here, which it does, don't get me wrong. Like, this is all good, but I felt like there was just so much extra room once I closed it. Like up here, I just felt like there's just way too much room because obviously this is designed for a coil, so much more room here. So then I went on their website and they actually had a different size called Note, but I had never gone any other size besides the Demi, so nothing smaller than that. But then I saw that they had this Note size, and this one, it says that it'll fit your Stalogy and your Hobonichi A5 and any other notebooks that are A5. And just look at that. Oh my gosh, this feels so much nicer. It is, look at that, there's not even like that much more room. It is so perfect and it just fits so well. I am so happy. There's not a lot of room over here. I thought the other one fit perfectly, but this one just obviously fits like a glove. I am so happy. You get several pockets over here, this flap, if you want to put your cover in here too. I don't know if I will. I've never done that, but you could with this one. And you get the scalloped pocket and then just a bunch of like credit card slots here, and of course the pen loop. And It is just amazing. Oh my gosh, I love the feel of this. It is so much better. This one did feel a little bit more loose and flimsy, and that's what caused me to go on their website, because I'm like, hopefully I am missing something. And look at the difference. That is how much the coil takes up, because that's exactly what it is, the coil. But I love this. It's just gonna fit amazing in here. And I just purchased this Hobonichi Cousin Avec at the end of December. This was a planner that I wasn't planning on getting. It just happened, and so I was scrambling to get stuff for it. So this was one of the things that I automatically wanted to get, because I just love my Notiq covers. I feel like it just gives it a little bit more protection. And I actually did purchase this clear cover as well. And it came with this like white paper, and I just left it because, as you can see, the cover is like a yellow cover, and I was not loving that. So I just slid it in here, and it was just perfect. So we have this little plastic cover and then this Notiq cover, but I am loving this. It just feels so much nicer on my hand, not loose, but just so perfect. I do have an unboxing and flip through of this Hobonichi Cousin Avec, because this is half of the year only. They offer the full year, but I did grab the Cousin Avec, and so it comes in 2 books, and this is 1 year, not 1 year, but half of the year and the rest of the year here. But I also purchased the full year cousin, but then I quickly rethought that, because I know with stickers it's gonna get full, and I don't know how much this is gonna be able to hold. But now I want to see how this one fits. I bet it's gonna fit even nicer, and oh my goodness, yes it does. Look at that. It is just so perfect. So whether you have the Cousin Avec, which is 2 books for 1 year, or this full book, both of them are just gonna fit nicely in here. And I don't know, I'm having so much fun right now with this Cousin Avec. It is the first time I'm using this book bound and the Tomo River paper, and I still don't know how I feel about it. It is super thin. I am just on my 2nd week, so we're gonna have to wait and see about that. But again, check the link down below if you guys want to check that video out. But I am just so glad that I did end up making this purchase, because it just fits so perfect in here. It fits like a glove, and I love it so much. And again, I will have an affiliate link down in the description box below, and I would really appreciate it if you guys would use it if you found this video helpful and you enjoyed the content. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.